Hello students, this is Professor Namrata Khiluchia, Prof. LBBA College, Vapi. In today's session, we will be going to discuss about sources of project ideas or generation of ideas. Good project ideas are the key of success as they are exclusive sources. First one sources of the project idea, that is analyze the performance of existing industries. A study of existing industries in terms of their profitability and capacity to utilize is helpful. The analysis of profitability indicates promising investment opportunities which are profitable and relatively risk free. The second one source, that is examine the inputs and outputs of the various industries. An analysis of the inputs required for various industries may throw up project ideas, which gives benefits regarding how to utilize the time with the less cost, from where to purchase the materials and spare parts, etc. Similarly, a study of the outputs of the existing industries may reveal the opportunities for adding value through further processing of main outputs, byproducts, as well as waste products. The third one source is review imports and exports. An analysis of the import statistics for a period of at least 5 to 7 years is helpful in understanding the trends of global market of various goods and services. The fourth one source, that is study plan outlays and government guidelines. The government plays a very important role in our economy. Its proposed outlays in different sectors and it provides useful path towards the investment opportunities. They indicate the potential demand for goods and services required by different sectors. The fifth one source, that is annual report published by DIDGI. Department of Industrial Development, Government of India, annually published report under the name Guidelines to Industries, providing information about the structure, location, production performance, licensing procedure, and its installation capacity, exports, and future scope of various industries. The sixth one source, that is financial institution and developmental agencies. Suggestion of these agencies are really very helpful in identifying promising projects. These agencies are State Financial Corporation, that is SFCs, and State Industrial Development Corporation, that is SIDC, and other developmental bodies conduct studies and surveys and prepare feasibility reports and offer suggestion to the potential entrepreneurs. Seventh one source, that is investigate local materials and resources. Here, by adding value to the locally available material and identifying the skill of the local artisans may suggest product that may be profitably produced and marketed. For example, Surat Zari business, that is based on the local artisans only. Near to the Ahmedabad, so many local khadi businesses are going on, that is due to the availability of the local raw material, that is cotton availability, and many Indian craft bazaars are based on this source only. Eighth one, analyze economic and social trends. A study of the economic and social trends is really very helpful in projecting demand for various goods and services. Changing economic condition and consumer performances provide new business opportunities. For example, a greater awareness of the value to the time is now arising the demand in public. Hence, there is demand for the time-saving products like oven, Suhana food ready-made products, powered vehicles, fully automatic washing machine, smartphones, iPhones, etc. has been increasing. Ninth one source, study new technological development, new product or new procedure and technologies for existing products developed by the research laboratories may be examined for the profitable commercialization. 10th one, draw clues from consumption abroad. Here, entrepreneurs willing to take higher risk may identify projects for the manufacture of the products and goods or supply of the services which are new to the country but extensively utilized in abroad. For example, automatic vending machines were highly utilized in abroad and then after implemented in India, that is what ATM. Entertainment and amusement park like Imagica, again that is the idea from the abroad. Not only that, different fast food restaurant by using the franchises like KFC and McDonald's comes under this category only. 11th one source, that is explore the possibility of reviving sick units. Now sick unit means what? Those units who are making losses in the last year, making losses in the present year and may incurred losses in the future. Now, behalf of shutting it down, if the new entrepreneur going to select this project idea, then it will not only reduce the investment level but also secure the employment at large in our Indian economy. So there is a fairly good scope for investment in this area. 12th one source, that is identify unfulfilled psychological needs. By analyzing this kind of needs, we can develop a new project idea. For example, deo without gas, fairness cream for the boys, non-sticky oils, gel color, automatic machine for the pani puri, different eco-friendly products, automatic cars. These are nothing else but identification of the unfulfilled psychological needs and converting into the project idea. 13th one source, attend trade fairs. National and international trade fairs provide an excellent opportunity to get to know about the new products and development and creating ideas related with those fairs. 14th one source, that is stimulate creativity for generating new product ideas. New product ideas may be generated by thinking along the following lines, that is by thinking about the modification of the current product, rearrangement of the existing product, reversal, magnification, reduction, substitution, adaptation, and by combination of the current with the new one material or raw material, we create a new project idea. So these are the major 14 sources of idea generation or sources of project idea, and this question may ask for 8 to 12 marks in your examination. Thank you so much.